Hello, and welcome to this guide for the FAERS Drug Dashboard. This Chrome extension is a powerful tool for researchers, clinicians, and pharmacovigilance professionals to quickly analyze adverse event data from the FDA's FAERS database. It calculates key disproportionality metrics like PRR and ROR and displays the data in an interactive dashboard, all right in your browser.
Let's get started. First, add the extension to Chrome from the Web Store. Once installed, click the puzzle icon and pin the extension to your toolbar for easy access. To start a new search, just click the extension icon. The pop-up is your starting point. First, enter a drug name. The extension provides helpful autocomplete suggestions from the openFDA database.
Next, enter an adverse event you want to investigate. You're not limited to just one event. You can add up to 5 different events to analyze at the same time. Let's add a second one, like ketoacidosis. The Reset button clears all inputs if you want to start over. Let's re-enter our search, and now we're ready. Click Generate Dashboard.
The extension will now open a new tab and begin fetching and analyzing the data. This may take a moment, especially for large queries. And here's our interactive dashboard. At the top, you'll find tabs. Aggregate shows you the combined data for all the events you searched for. You can also click on a specific event tab to see data only for that reaction. Below the tabs is the metrics grid. This is the core of your analysis. You get a quick count of total, serious, and fatal cases for your query. And most importantly, the extension automatically calculates the proportional reporting ratio, PRR, and the reporting odds ratio, ROR, along with their 95% confidence interval lower bounds. These are key metrics used to detect potential safety signals. As you scroll down, you'll see your data visualized in several charts. You can see a breakdown of reaction outcomes like recovered or fatal, stacked by the year the report was received. You also get demographic charts for cases by patient sex, age group, and the type of person who submitted the report, such as a physician or consumer. Next are the top 10 lists. This list shows other suspect drugs that were most frequently co-reported in the same cases, which can be useful for identifying drug interactions. And this list shows other adverse events that were most commonly reported alongside the one you searched for.
At the bottom of the dashboard is a full paginated line listing of the case reports that match your query. When you're ready, you can export this entire table. Just click the Download button to save a CSV file of the filtered case reports for your own records or further analysis. Now let's look at 2 final features of the extension. Your searches are automatically saved. The Recent Searches section lets you quickly rerun a query without having to type it all in again. You can remove old searches or just click one to load it. Finally, there's an API Keys section. The openFDA API has a daily limit for unauthenticated users. If you're a heavy user, you can get a free API key from the openFDA website. Paste it here and click Save. The extension will store it locally and use it for all future queries, giving you a much higher daily request limit.
That's a complete overview of the FAERS Drug Dashboard. It's a tool designed to make complex pharmacovigilance analysis simple, fast, and accessible. Thank you for watching.